Morning everyone. So let's begin the new chapter, reproduction. So here first of all just note down the learning objectives on your notebook. In this chapter we will discuss about the reproduction in animals, sexual reproduction, reproduction in human beings, menstrual cycle in females, sex determination in humans, endocrine system, it is all about the hormones of our body, reproductive health as well as personal hygiene. These all topics that we will cover in the chapter reproduction. So as you studied in the previous classes about the reproduction in plants, like how plants reproduce, you also learnt about the embryo, baby plant, cotyledons. These all topics you covered in the previous classes. So now in the 8th grade, let's begin the chapter reproduction in animal. This is the new chapter for you, so listen it in detail. First of all, we will do the keywords of this chapter. Just note down all the keywords of the chapter. The first one is reproduction. It is a process by which living organisms reproduce new individuals. For example, mother to baby, like this is a living organism, mother and father will be living organism and they produce the baby, means new individual. So it is related, you can say that it is similar to the parent organisms. Now the next is asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual, that is also these are the types of reproduction, like mode of reproductions when there is a one parent involved, like this is done in the plants that we have studied already. Like asexual sexual reproduction, there is a mode of reproduction that involving a single parent only. There will be only one parent, no two parents, there will be only one parent. And the sexual reproduction, it involves two parents, you can say that, like mother and father. There are two parents involvement in the sexual reproduction. Like in this they have written the word gametes, you can see that these are the basically reproductive cells, gametes. So basically there is a formation of male gamete and the female gamete by their parents, and then there is a fusion of gametes. There is a fusion of male gamete and the female gamete, then this is the process begins, that is known as sexual reproduction. Let's come to the another keyword, that is fertilization. Fertilization, that we have already studied in the previous classes, like fusion of male and female gametes to produce a zygote, you can say that there is a new baby cell starts to form. This is known as zygote. Next is two types of fertilization is there, external and internal. It is very easy. External fertilization, you can say that there is a fertilization that occurs outside the body of the organism, no inside, only outside. For example, eggs, this is include the external fertilization. However, on the contrary side, internal fertilization is there, the fertilization that takes place inside the body of an organism, that is known as internal fertilization. Next is the unique topic, that is known as hormones. Basically hormones control our whole body. Basically hormones regulate our body. All the organs, our body totally depend on the hormones. Even when there is excessive or very less hormones in our body, our people or individuals have to suffer from various diseases like goiter. Next is a menstruation. Menstruation, you can say that there is a shedding of uterus, that is a part of female reproductive part. There is a shedding layer of the uterine lining and the blood, that is basically unfertilized ovum. So unfertilized ovum is released from the vagina of a female, that is known as the process menstruation. Venereal disease, it is a disease basically transmitted from an infected person to healthy person. So when you have any kind of sexual contact, then the infected person can spread this disease to the healthy person. This is all about the keywords. Note down all the keywords on your notebook and then do the another one. Thank you everyone.